Hey everybody, it's Lisa, owner of Peaches Skincare. You can visit us at peachesskincare.com, and I also invite you to follow us on Instagram or Facebook to see a little bit more about our holistic beliefs in skincare and what we can do for you. If you're just tuning in, please like and subscribe. I don't ask every time. I just hope that it will happen organically. I want you to want to be here. I want you to want to learn from me and to find value in what I teach. I am 55 years old. I have been a holistic master esthetician for 36 years, and I help hundreds of thousands of people, or I have helped and are still helping, have beautiful, healthy skin, regardless if they have been burned, and I have had people that have been burn victims on their face or body, if they have severe acne, scarring from acne, if they're seeing a doctor and just want a little bit of holistic along with it, or if they're aging and they don't want to inject or do anything invasive to their face. And I also try to teach you to love the skin you're in with no foundation or concealer. So no, I don't do anything to my face. A few of you have asked, and I do not do anything invasive. No injectables, no nothing. This is all facial yoga and just taking care of my skin. Many of you have asked about your lips and the lip line, and I've done a few lip videos. So I just thought I would do a few more things. Maybe there are things that you didn't notice before, or some of you were newer and never saw the last video. But a lot of people will tell me they have almost smoker lines, and some of them will tell me they never smoked. But I think what you have to remember is many of us are drinking from a water bottle, you might be sucking out of a straw, and that can at times make that area look a little wrinkled. But it's also that callus layer I talk about all the time. If you haven't watched a little bit of my series where I'm showing before and afters, go back and look at Damaris and Francesca and Linda and Jazzy, and you'll see what can be accomplished when you baby your skin and you take care of it and you don't burn it and inject it and do all these crazy things. Now, if you're someone out there who loves to do their lips and does injectables in them, just know that I have seen what the lips look like when you stop doing them. And they have been pushed out so far, just like injectables in your face or cheek, that the skin then comes down and you've really lost that texture of your face, you've lost that muscle memory, all of it. And if you want to do that, be you. But I'm trying to teach you how to make your lips look better naturally. One thing that you need to know is that when you have that callus layer, the layers on your skin can be so thick, and those are years of sun damage and damage to your skin. You all know you do most of your damage before the age of 21, 22. And then that damage starts to come out, but the skin, one of its jobs is to protect the skin, and so it will callus like the heels of your feet, and so it'll make those lines look deeper than they are because the skin is so thick. So as you break down that skin, those lines appear softer. And I also believe in facial yoga, but here's a little trick. So here's my lips done, and I'm just going to wipe everything off like so. You guys might hear my baby Sammy, he's just click-clacking around. And a couple things that I love to do, you can take castor oil and you can do some movements on your face. You can also use a facial oil, but if you're just doing it as more of a exercise, take a little castor oil, a little olive oil, work it around like so, and just spread your lips like this. Spread. And as you get rid of that callus layer, you get rid of any sun damage inside that makes it look darker and deeper, but you're also smoothing it out. And another wonderful exercise would be to hold the sides of your lip like this, and then just pull up, just like so. And hold that for maybe 5 to 20 seconds. Just like so, okay? Also, just doing this. And you've seen me do that for the neck. Now that's one thing you can do. Just start smoothing that out, and it maybe will take you a minute or two every night. The next thing is, I love this Hanalei product. It is a lip scrub. We do sell it on our website, but you can make your own lip scrub out of brown sugar and olive oil, whatever you'd like. And just take a lip scrub, and I try to do this daily, and work it around your lips, just like so. because as we get older, we lose that lip line. And what you want to do is you want to get your skin wherever blood is flowing and oxygenation is happening, we're actually building collagen. So you want to get your lips to be almost plumping themselves, if you will. And just work it around and wipe it off. Many times I do this before bed and I lick it off because it tastes so good. They also have a wonderful lip treatment, and their lip treatment, I just do the clear one, will kind of plump up your lips a little bit, but it really hydrates them, because when your lips are dehydrated, what happens? They look like little sponges that have no dehydration, but as they hydrate, they plump up. You can also use a lip liner to really define your lip. I'll do that for you, just like so. Just define your lip. I like to do something nude. I had showed you this in the Get Ready With Me. This is a Color Science Lip Shine. It is a sunscreen, which I love, and it has a little peppermint in it, and that will actually help to plump up your skin as well. I probably have oil all over my face. And that will help to plump up your lips as well. As you're doing facial yoga, as you're caring for your skin, as you're getting blood flowing wherever blood flows, it oxygenates skin cells, it creates collagen, and as you lift your face with all of those things, microcurrent, facials, doing your at-home facials, your lips will come along with it. And you will start to notice that your line will become a little bit more defined, your lips will smooth out wherever there are wrinkles, and they'll just look so much better. I tried to keep this simple. I hope that it resonated with you, and if you have any other questions, just ask with love and kindness below. But that's one way of helping to get rid of your lip lines and keeping your lips looking soft and plump. I hope you all stay beautiful naturally.